Coco, you ready for bed? You wanna go to bed? You wanna go to bed, Coco? Hmm? You wanna go to bed? You wanna go to bed now? Yeah? Talk to me. Really? Is that all you wanna say? You sure you don't wanna go to bed? Oh. You're not a sleepy girl? No? Coco, do you want me to clean your ear? Oh, you don't like to get your ears cleaned. Oh, I know, that's a sore subject for you. That's a bad subject, huh? Coco, do you want a treat? You want a treat? Maybe? You're not sure about the treat, huh? How about a biscuit? You want to go out? Do you want to go out? Oh, I guess you want to go out, huh? You want to go out? Yeah? Oh, you're a very talkative girl tonight. Is there anything else you'd like to say? You're a happy girl now, huh?